Okay, so I just figured out approximating f of 1.9, and now I'm going to approximate f of 2.04. So I'm going to use that same formula. F of x plus change of x is approximately f of x plus f prime of x dx. This time, again, I only know what the function height is at 2. Except my change in x is what's going to be different. To get 2.04, I need a change of x of 0.04. I'm going to put 2 in for my x's. And again, my dx is the same as my change in x, so dx and change of x are equal to each other. If you missed it on the last video, what I did find was that the slope of this tangent line was down 1 over 1, so the slope at 2 was equal to negative 1. So you need to make sure that you notice that, and that's what I plugged in right here and why I plugged in a negative 1. I'll do that right here as well. So when I plug in negative 1, I have negative 1 times 0.04, and I have f of 2. F of 2 is 1. What I now can say is that f of 2.04 is approximately equal to 1 plus negative 0.04, which would be approximately 0.96. Continuing on, we're going to do another problem like this. Notice this time, though, I'm given g prime. So this is the graph of g prime, and this is the point 3, 3 on the graph of g prime. They give me information about g. G of 3 is 8, and I know that g prime of 3 is 3 from the graph. Alright, we're going to use the differentials to approximate these two values. So I'm going to go back, and this time I'll call it g. I have g of x plus change of x is approximately g of x plus g prime of x dx. Now I'm trying to figure out what g of 2.93 is. I'm going to say g of 3, because that's the only information I have. G of 3 plus, this would be a negative 0.07, is approximately equal to g of 3 plus g prime of 3. And my dx is the same as my change of x, so negative 0.07. So that means g of 2.93 is approximately, well, g of 3 they tell me is 8, plus g prime of 3, I got that from the graph, g prime of 3 is 3, times negative 0.07. So 8 plus 3 times negative 0.07 is, let's go straight to the answer here. Punch that in your calculator, you get 7.79. The second value I'm supposed to find is g of 3.1. So the formula g of x plus change of x is approximately g of x plus g prime x dx. So g of 3 plus, I would do 0.1 this time because I went g of 3.1, is approximately g of 3 plus g prime of 3, and my dx this time is 0.1. So g of 3 is 8 plus g prime of 3 is 3. Well, that's going to give me the answer of 8.3.